Hello FC Goa fan club. I'm Mandar Rao Desai, left winger, FC Goa. It was really amazing last year working under Coach Zico and great players like Ante Santos and Robert Pires. I learned a lot of things from them. They always helped me and they always supported me while playing. People also gave a lot of support and it was really great. This year we have a lot of new signing: Lucio, Leo Mora, Ronaldo. I think this year it will be much more better than last year, and we'll try to play really good football, and I'll learn a lot of new things from them, and it will be really good. Started playing football when I was in school. My parents and my teachers, my coaching staff, they always supported me. Under 18 I came into the Tempo junior team. From there I played for Tempo for 6 years, and from there they chose me in the senior team of Tempo, and from there I played for under 23 Indian team, and I played for Asian Games. I also played for Lusofonia, which won the gold medal, and from there I was selected for FC Goa. I played in the I League before, and there were fans coming for the game, but I never expected that it would be such great fan base for FC Goa. It was overcrowded and it was really great playing in front of so many people, and they always supported us. Last year आमकां तुम्ही सपोर्ट केला, तो ह्या वर्सा आमकां सपोर्ट करा. लास्ट year आमी ट्रॉफी हाडपाक चिंतले, मात ह्या वर्सा शुअर हाडटा.